Hey y'all, so I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my everyday work face routine or everyday I'm running late type routine. It's real quick. Takes no skills, no effort, no time. So for all the people who tell me that they don't have patience to do their face, yes you do. So let's get started. All right, so I already did my eyebrows. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then you can go to the video that I did yesterday because that shows literally every single thing that I do. But my eyebrows are already done. But first and foremost, what you need to do is put some chapstick of some sort on your lips. And then what I always do is, well, I don't always do it, but you can, if you want to, you can prime your face. But really what you need to do is moisturize your face. Lotion is fine. I use lotion and coconut oil mix. But I'm going to use what is this? Primer. I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I just kind of get the under eye and the forehead, down the nose, upper lip. Oh. How? I've never in my life. Chin. And usually I put a little bit more under here. All right, now that I got all that, you can, I usually do, I'll sometimes spray it down with some setting spray, but honestly, I don't even use setting spray all the time. Sometimes I just use hairspray. Just a quick tip that I learned my junior year of high school. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit. You can use any hairspray, not something like with super duper strength though. I wouldn't recommend that, but I really wouldn't recommend you use hairspray unless you absolutely need to hold it down, like hold it down. You can take a regular brush or just a cheap old sponge and blend this stuff out. And blend it out, just blend it, get it on the eyeball. Not the eyeball, y'all know what I mean, the eyelid. And I usually take my Fit Me foundation. Don't look at it. It's not a lot in there. Don't even look at my nails. I need a fill in. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But look, Fit Me. You can really use anything. You can use CoverGirl, any kind of powder foundation, something that's just, you know, just something simple. Anything powder foundation is fine. My lace is lifting. Do you see it? Don't look at it. I'll fix it. I'm gonna take that same brush that I just used to blend out my concealer. It's like an angle brush or whatever, fluffy angle brush. You're gonna take some of that powder foundation, rub it around rub the brush around in the powder foundation, and then press under the eye first, because you just put concealer under there and you don't want it to crease in your eye crevices and stuff. So do that, and then go around to any other parts of the face that have stuff on it, or even if it don't, you see how that's showing still, because it's a natural look. You still gotta look like yourself, unless you want to cover that stuff up. I'll show you how I would if I wanted to. Take some more concealer, you see this from a wand, little spots, just that should be enough. Blend it lightly. Get some more powder foundation and just cover it so it's not oily looking and nasty. See a bit of a difference? I surely do. All right, and so next thing I do, I really don't want to put any eye makeup on because I usually don't when I do this. So what I do is though, I just take the brush once again and I get all up in there. You see that? Just go like that. Now that that's over, I take some mascara. You can use any kind of mascara. You can literally get mascara from the grocery store. So I'm not going to tell you what kind of mascara to get, but just get a mascara and just get to mascara-ing. I actually use 2 different mascaras because I just like them to look just as fake as possible. Look fake to y'all? Not yet? We'll see. Take my other little mini mascara. It's like kind of running out. So I use it really to unclump the other ones. And that's the secret to making them look fake. Unclump them and then clump them again and then unclump them and then clump them again and then unclump them. I just do about 2 coats of that. See the difference? And then I do the bottom. I look better already. Now I take my bronzer and blush my bronzer, is it a quadrant? It's 4, so I know I'm on the right track, but whatever. Take that, and then I just take these 2 blushes always, and I just go crazy with the blush every single day, and nobody stops me. Why don't nobody stop me? Okay, see how that look? Crazy? I look a clown? Should I leave it like that? I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm just saying. I should leave it like that. Go ahead and just blend it out with the same brush we've been blending everything else out with. Just something quick, y'all. We're running late. All right, so I take a little angled brush like that, and my little highlighter is not gold. It's like a rose gold though. This is extremely optional. I don't even do it every day. I do it when I feel like it. And I just kind of put a little bit on my nose, put a little bit down the bridge of my nose, some on the top of my lip right here, and then some right here on my cheek, a little bit right here on the cheek, and take it up here under my eyebrow. Was that quick? Cause we running late, right? So just kind of, ooh, that's adding too much. Okay, but that's okay. We'll fix it. Yeah, and just kind of smooth it out a little bit. So then I just take my brush that I've been using to blend everything else out with, and just use it and go like that there, and go everywhere like that there, and just kind of get some of that there off though. You don't need all that though. Okay, so lastly, what I'm gonna do is the lips, and I just take any brown and line it. Then use your favorite lipstick or the first lipstick that you see because you're running late, and just take that thing and I always take a paper towel and just get some of it off, and now you look cute. Okay, girl, we are done. Spray your face with your hairspray or your spray or whatever you got. Just let your hair down real quick. Let it down, hurry up. Thank y'all for watching my video. I really enjoyed doing this for y'all. Tell me what else y'all want to see. Tell me what else y'all want me to do. Tell me what y'all want to talk about, because I definitely want to talk. That's all I want to do is just talk to y'all. Y'all my friends, right? As usual, do not forget to drink your water, please. Bye, girl.